Hello friends, I am Jainji. This is our channel Jain Social. There is a massive flood in Damabon rainy area in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, which led to the huge flood flow in the rivers of Alaknanda, Dauli Ganga and damages many houses and Rishi Ganga power project. What is the cause for this flood? Is it a man-made or naturally it has happened? Let me look into the matter in depth in this video. Geographically, the state of Uttarakhand is located on the foothills of Himalaya, so it is quite natural to have many glaciers in its geographical location. It shares the border with China. It is very famous for some of the religious places like Gangotri, Yamunotri, Gedrinath, Badrinath, Rishikesh and many more. So the people are used to go there for religious tourism. Dauli Ganga river is a tributary of Alaknanda river, a place where the Dauli Ganga river met with the Rishi Ganga river. A 130 megawatt power generating capacity Rishi Ganga power plant is located. Near to there, Nanda Devi glacier had broken down, which led to the huge flood in Alaknanda river as well as the Dauli Ganga river. And the Rishi Ganga power plant is damaged very heavily. Many houses and trees are uprooted, and which led to the massive flood in that location. As a result of this, about 150 workers, those who were working in the Rishi Ganga power plant were missed, and a flood warning alert also given to surrounding areas. The search and rescue operation started, few of the people rescued and many forces are involved in this operation. For instance, the Uttarakhand police force and the army, then the NDRF National Disaster Response Force, then Indian Tibetan Border Force, they all are working in full swing to rescue these innocent people. What is the cause for the flood? Flood is used to happen because of many reasons. For instance, it may be the result of continuous rain, thunderstorm, cyclone, or the breakage of dams, or the breaking of many icebergs, glaciers, and continuous flow of snows for long period. But this excess flow of water may have severe impact to human losses because of encroachment of human in those areas, or the drainage pattern is not properly working in the residence areas. Then the excess flow of water will locked soon and the water level in the surface will increase, and which will lead to the loss of damage of human properties. Then let me look into what are the cause for the glaciers burst. The glaciers are generally made by the continuous fall of snows for long period. Used to be happen in the places of polar region or places where the temperature is below freezing point. So these glaciers are occupied in the world surface area about 10%, but they are the main source of pure water, and also it is the main source of the rivers for perennial flow. Generally, breaking of glaciers is a natural process and it is a very lengthy process. But the glaciers burst or sudden breaking of huge glacier is used to happen in recent time because of many reasons. For instance, it may be the result of volcanic eruption. If there is a volcano nearby area and then the surrounding area, if there are any glaciers, it may be break off and lead to the flood in surrounding areas. Or because of any earthquake, if it happened, it is also lead to the break of glaciers and bursting of glaciers, which lead to the devastating effect in those regions. But in recent time, because of the global warming, the temperature in the Earth's surface increases tremendously, which lead to the climate change. As a result of that, there are many islands are now submerged into the sea because of increasing sea level. So the glacial burst or glacial melting is happened very fastly in this recent time because of global warming as well as the climate change. It also man-made like catastrophic because humans are main cause for the increase of global temperature many-fold in recent time, which lead to the climate change. Our Prime Minister ensured the timely help and enough rehabilitation support from the central government to the state of Uttarakhand in the rehabilitation work of those who missed in the Uttarakhand flood, and also the flood just a reminder of 2013, which also led to the huge human loss as well as many natural properties damages. Then the animals also missed in the flood. Now the central government has announced 2 lakh for the families of those who lost their life and 50,000 for those who heavily injured in the Uttarakhand flood. The state government chief minister also announced 4 lakh for the families of those who lost their life in the Uttarakhand flood. Now the full swing rehabilitation work is going on. Okay friends, what do you think about this video? Do you think that the Uttarakhand flood is a man-made flood? The reason is that we have changed or damaged the environment tremendously in recent time in order to lead a luxurious life. So the nature is always try to balance the human activities along with the nature. Give your opinion in the comment section. We shall meet again in our next better topic. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.